Alright guys, welcome back to I Expect You to Die. So we are currently on a train in India, and so apparently what was said through my earpiece right here
In
the last episode,
Yeah.
where I grabbed that earpiece that's in my ear right now, there is some sort of secret agent on this train, and we have to figure out where he is by tapping into the phone lines with that screwdriver. So, let's get to it. Let's get to it. So, I guess we just...
Yep.
There we go.
Okay.
This is kind of like the submarine.
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of the submarine.
Great job. Not that this is a job, obviously. Before getting back to enjoying your very real vacation, find out which cabin the defector is in and send them something with the agency logo on it.
Okay, we gotta find out which one he's in. So I guess we just... Oh! Whoops.
Oh.
Do we pick up the phone?
Oh, yeah, you'll have to pick up the phone.
Cabin 1-1. Message.
One star armored surprise stops the train. Cabin-to-cabin transport will shut off. But Zor's intel says it's train policy to send a free gift to the room of a upset customer. So keep bothering room service to override the lockdown.
Okay. He said to keep ordering room service to override the lockdown.
Okay.
So I wonder if I just...
Let's keep trying another...
Difficulties up ahead. Please stay in your compartment for now.
Okay. Oh! Whoops.
Let's keep trying other
Yeah.
numbers.
Oh, man. Come on.
When I look out the window, there's some large vehicle blocking the tracks. They've locked us in our compartments. I don't understand what's going on. Just call me when you get this message. I'm in cabin 2.
Cabin 2. Okay. He didn't really sound like he knew what was going on.
Yeah, so it's probably...
Coraz nie podoba mi się ten pomysł z Indiami.
Nie marudź, Marian. Jak tam zabłyśniesz, to wiesz, ile płyt sprzedamy?
Jak na razie, to nasz pociąg utknął nad jakąś przepaścią i stoi.
O właśnie. Zostawiłeś im taśmę w radiostacji w Delhi?
Oczywiście, że zostawiłem.
No to zamiast marudzić, zawracasz mi głowę. Podziwiaj widoki. Pa!
Dobra, pa.
I didn't get a single word of that. It must have
Yeah,
been...
so they're probably not the secret agent that we're
Yeah.
looking for.
Oh, this one has a message.
Oh.
Oh, wait, no, but that was mine.
Gotcha.
Because I was in...
Oh, you were on number 4.
I was on 4 when I
Gotcha.
opened it.
Okay.
Okay. I hear a violin.
Huh.
It's playing some random song that I don't know. But you know what? I'm going to keep listening until the very end. Because knowing my luck, it would be like, oh, this is Zor's. You know,
Yeah.
I would hang up and that would be the one. Okay. It's really only just playing violin music.
Okay.
Oh, this one has a message.
Cabin 6-1. Message.
Zor says to take care of the snitch. Retrieve the information from her and clean up any loose ends. Do your job, or else.
Okay, so that said, Zor said, take care of the snitch, do your job, or else.
Huh. Okay. And you're on 4. Yeah.
So I wonder if I order room service. Nope. Nope, nothing. No answer.
Hit it a few more times.
Alright, Cabin 4. I will send you a compliment.
Look at that. A free gift. I couldn't be more jealous of all the fun you're having. Anyway, send the defector something agency related to make contact.
What was that?
You said send them something agency related. Oh,
Oh. Okay.
send them something agency related
Nice.
to make contact.
Alright.
Insert parcel into tube, select destination cabin, pull cord to send. Okay.
Alright.
So wait.
You gotta send him a message. You gotta send him like a...
Well, no, the thing is in there.
Oh, the
That's-
message is already in there?
Yeah, that's the parcel.
Oh, okay.
So all I have to do is pick this and then send it. But
Gotcha.
uh,
Well, what parcel is it? Is it the
it's a stogie.
Oh, the stogie?
Yeah, see it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I guess it has our company logo on it.
Gotcha. Okay.
So the closest one I could think of was number 6. So I'm gonna send it to car number 6.
Okay.
Alright, the parcel is sent. I guess we got something. Oh. Or not. Maybe we didn't get something back.
Huh.
But while I'm at it,
You gotta pour yourself another cup of tea.
yeah. Hey. Bottoms up. Okay, well, there's nothing behind me that I can click on. Pull cord to send door locked in case of emergency. Okay. I wonder if I have to re-put in all these things.
Well, no, if you
Come on.
if 6 didn't work, this is my thought, right?
Mm-hmm.
So wait, if 6 didn't work, then how do we get another stogie
That's the thing. Like,
to send to somewhere else?
is there something up there? No, there's nothing up there. Still can't open that door.
How did we get the stogie in the first place?
It was just there.
Okay.
That's a normal lighter. Should I light something on fire?
I don't know.
So I lit the brochure on fire. I'll pick it up because I dropped it. I'll light it on fire again. Nothing happened.
Oh, what about the room service button?
Oh, do you want me to go back to 4?
Yeah.
I have sent you a free gift. Please stop calling.
But you gotta
Please.
keep hitting the button.
You got the gift, right? Good day. Enjoy your free gift. Goodbye.
Right? Wasn't
My-
that how we got the...
My free
Sent you a
gift.
free gift.
Oh,
Please
close
stop
your...
calling.
Close the hatch, or close the compartment for that, and maybe you'll get another...
No?
No, the hatch above it, the one up top.
Right there?
Yeah, there. And then call the room service.
You got the gift, right? Good day.
No, I didn't get the gift. There's nothing in there. There's nothing here. Like, I don't know.
Yeah, because we sent it to 6 and nothing happened. So.
Yeah. Well? Oh, wait.
What?
Look at the tea.
Oh, wow.
Teapot.
Oh, okay.
So wait, where is
Yeah,
that?
what is it? Pick it up if you can't see it.
That's the second one. Okay, so it's these three.
Yeah, gotcha.
Oh.
Oh, there you go.
The bearer of this document is hereby pardoned for crimes committed against the state. Well, I'm
Well,
certainly
there you go.
gonna
Definitely
keep that.
that. Absolutely.
This looks like a deck of cards. Or no, it's money. That
Oh.
was in Indian money.
Gotcha.
Okay. You know what?
What?
We need to send the money. You know where we need to send the money.
Where?
Cabin number 6.
Wait, why?
Because it's something with, what does that say? Oh, whoa. What does that say? Doesn't say anything that I can tell. Because it's like something involved with the company. Or do I throw this in there? Send it to 6. Ding.
Oh,
jeez. Well.
Okay. Well, looks like 6 didn't really want your parcel after all, huh?
Nope.
All right. Well, we'll have to give it another go on the next episode.
Oh, jeez. I can't believe I didn't see that tea kettle over there.
Oh yeah.
Alright, well, anyway, if you guys liked it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll get it eventually. Just stick with us. And, yeah, we'll get it on the next time.
Yep.
How about that?
All right. We'll check it out on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.